Good morning, Downtown STEM Academy. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd, an F day on your schedule. Happy National World Coconut Day. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Downtown STEM Academy. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd, an F day on your schedule. And STEM TV is back. I'm Liv.
And I'm too tired to be here. Let's get right into your morning announcements.
Teachers, you can't say that. Remember what Emmeline said. Leave a good impression, be interesting and fun, and not cringe.
1. When have I ever listened to Emmeline Holland? 2. You already failed at that last goal after the quote, what the Sigma is STEM TV on the poster on Schoology.
Okay. Well, that was great advertising. We were appealing to the target audience. Duh. Like, how can you not be hyped for the first day of announcements for the 2025-2026 school year with that poster? Like, come on.
It's not that, Liv. I fear the incoming freshmen are too Gen Alpha for us.
No way, Tejas. I spend 6-7 hours scrolling TikTok each day. I know my brain rot.
Did you ever actually have a brain to rot?
Shh. This is why Gen Alpha hates you.
Well, Gen Alpha will never understand the struggle of missing my morning GoCo muffin and missing the first 5 minutes of first period TOK.
Well, if you join STEM TV, you can miss the first 5 minutes of class.
Can we get into the morning announcements, please?
Okay, let's get into some morning announcements. I'm talking about in it.
I'm talking about quitting.
Yep. Now quit sulking, because let's get into why you should be hyped for the school year. Featuring why STEM is awesome and you should totally not drop out and go to West or East.
Well, at least there's some excitement in the air with Powder Puff. Who knows who'll take the win this year? I do. It's us.
And then we'll have STEM's homecoming the next night.
I've been practicing my K-pop Demon Hunter dance moves for the last 2 weeks straight.
And unlike other school dances, it's actually tough. But that's not till November. Isn't there anything before that?
Halloween a month and a half early, but scarier. It's the club fair.
What?
You get to walk around and watch people make fools of themselves trying to recruit you. Trick or treat. The treat is all the free candy. But the trick is an eternal commitment to like 6 different clubs. The last 2 years of your life have been nothing but the IB and STEM TV and theater and academic team and German and...
Okay. Calm down. Don't scare the freshmen. STEM has too many other redeeming qualities that don't involve stacking extracurriculars.
Like what?
The annual wars.
What?
Cupcake wars!
Oh, yeah, Cupcake Wars. The best week of the year. I get to justify eating 4 cupcakes for breakfast every morning because I'm doing it for a good cause. Sorry, Miss Sevi.
Speaking of good causes, Camathon raises money for Cure for Cam by dancing.
It doesn't raise money by dancing. Who on earth said that? Anyway, at that time of year, I'd rather be sleeping.
Why? Because of the IB...
Don't mention it.
Oh, let's send her over to Liam for the Score Corner update.
Hey, Sam. Welcome back to the Score Corner, where we announce school sports and Philadelphia sports. And since STEM doesn't actually have any sports team, we also announce DECA and TSA scores, too. That's why it's called the Score Corner and not the Sports Corner. First things first, the Eagles are set to wallop the Cowboys this Thursday. No more Micah Parsons means there's no one to save them. And the Phillies won last night, 10-8, against the Milwaukee Brewers. Yay! If you were watching like me last night, gave me a scare for the first couple innings. And riding the Philly hype train, they're set to play the Brewers tomorrow night for the second game of the series at 7:40. I think that's it. Oh, right. Jason Skelce's brother has scored Taylor Swift. We will never truly be free. Truly a cruel summer. Hashtag Team Swift divorce. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Liam. Remember to follow us on Instagram for more information from previous or recent announcements.
And that's all we have for you today, Downtown STEM Academy. Have a great rest of your day.